Okay guys, in this tutorial we will discuss how we can order professional translations for our websites. There are multiple cases when you are required to hire a professional linguist because you might not be able to speak all the languages, or you don't have the available time to do all the translations yourself. And on the example of royalmarblenewyork.com, our test website, I will show you how you can translate and proofread your website with professional linguists in all 5 languages, including Russian, Spanish, French, Chinese, and Arabic. So let's do it. In order to order professional translation using the plugin ConveyThis, you need to first log into your dashboard. Go to ConveyThis.com, go to the dashboard, log in, and under Domains, click on Domains. You will see your website and click on My Translations. On this page you see all the languages that we are currently offering on our website: Arabic, Spanish, French, Russian, and Chinese. And we have, as a website owners, webmasters, the possibility to select all these pages and send them for professional translation. How to do it? Very simple. Let's do first the Arabic version. First on our list is Arabic, so I need to click on Edit My Translations. Click on this link, and on this page we'll see all the text strings that we have currently discovered on the page, and select this box, select all. This box actually selects all the text strings including sub-pages, page number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the strings. Click on Add to Cart. The selected segments have been added to cart, to the order, and go to My Cart. Now on this page you will see that you are on a professional translation sub-page, and you are translating segments from English to Arabic. The total word count of the words on the page is 631 words, and your total cost would be $126.20. You can click on Details and look at the exact segments that you're going to work on, just to double check the language pair, date you added it. Okay, and you click on Pay Now. Let's see. It should be Pay Now from the previous page. Go to My Cart and click on Pay Now. So this is the final page before you place the order. You see all of that information in a snapshot. It says your order details, the language direction, number of words, rate per word, sales tax, and a total. You have an ability to pay with a credit card or PayPal. Let's do, for the sake of the example, I will select PayPal and click on the button PayPal Checkout. And there will be a pop-up page with the PayPal checkout. So if you do have the PayPal account, you can use your login information, or if you don't, you just provide your credit card number, expiration date, first, last name, billing address, and you can complete this purchase with the PayPal. All right. So let's cancel and return to ConveyThis back to this page. And once you make a payment, the order will be sent to Professional Linguist, our partnering company, Translation Cloud. They will process your order. They'll bring in their own professional linguists to your web interface. They will complete the proofreading and translation of your machine translations. And by the time you would next time look at your Arabic version in this interface, all the labels will be changed from auto into professional translations. So in a few days, once the linguists will complete your order, you will see green labels throughout your translated strings. As you can see, ordering professional translations is a relatively simple task. It's a big money saver. It makes your website look better in terms of your visitors. It will reflect on the website conversions, because visitors do prefer to buy and do business with websites in their own language. So this is the great option for entrepreneurs and busy people to hire professional linguists and have their website professionally proofread.